Hi friends, iTech here. In today's video, I will be doing a quick unboxing of Spigen iPhone 12 Pro Max liquid crystal case. If you have missed to watch my iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing video, then I will leave the link in the description below. Do let us know your opinions in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a like and share this video, and please subscribe to our iTech channel for more tech videos. Stay safe and thank you for watching iTech.